start with obviously congrats on the gains from the SPY swing and the Nvidia swing. Okay, what do I not like? I don't like that the VIX closed where it opened and SPX did not. You're lagging severely here. That's not good. So I've been talking about this for a few days, right? It's all, and sorry about the noise, by the way. Sorry, they're working. Neither did QQQ, but QQQ performed so much better because that's where it's at. The Dow is dead. And SPY or SPX were pretty shit today because of this. This is the culprit right here. Absolute dog shit. Okay? Absolute dog shit. Money is still in tech. Money is going to tech. And now with all this Bitcoin funny money, you know, that's where it's at. I mean, Nvidia opened and closed pretty much at the same spot. That was 100% trade, but we opened there, we sold right there, never got back in. Look at this. What is this? This is controlled selling. This is rotation. You get caught in this, you're fucked, right? That's why I had posted and said and did sell your shit. I did try here, I tried here, and then I caught it from here to there. That's where I got stopped out. So I missed major gains on SPX, but my SPY calls went 96%. And I decided to swing them because this is super bearish. I mean, this is like bearish patterns here. This is bearish, but let me explain. So we have two highs pre-market. What we're doing is backing and filling. It's very choppy. It's very erratic. How will it end? It will end at some point with a huge knife, maybe even to this trend line, who knows, and then you're going back to all-time highs. The fact that you open above the FOMC line and reject it this hard is not good. Okay, what's good is that you rejected lows and you couldn't make it to yesterday's high, but you're there after hours. So the pattern was early low. If it is weak, it's a sell all day. If it's strong, high in the final hour. So sell all day. The only way that this doesn't take a big dump within 1 to 2 days is if you gap above here tomorrow at open and get going. I don't know what would do it, but that's the pattern. Same pattern tomorrow, early low. So watch out for this. To put it into perspective, this is a successful pattern. This is a failed one, right? But we caught this overnight move. So tomorrow is Friday, fry your shit Friday. I've said 50 times this week. Thursdays are the premium top. Again, there you saw it. Let's just, for reference, go back to last week as well. You can back check it for yourself. Thursday, premium top. Fridays have been absolute dog shit. Very erratic. For months throughout the summer, Fridays have sucked. They've just sucked. You've had premium highs usually on Thursdays, and then we're out. So am I saying that tomorrow is gonna suck? Not necessarily, because all the hedgy bros are back from vacation, right? So who knows? But the market is bearish as long as it's under the FOMC line. It turns bullish when it's above. There you have it. That's the price. Will we go above it? Yes. I mean, we did today technically, but we will trend above it. It's just a matter of when. Probably has to do with the CPI report. What else? AppLovin. I mean, yo, we took those 420s on the break, sold them for 120. They just kept going, rolled up to whatever it was. I mean, it was 3 trades and this one here. I'll be watching that. TTD got murdered, money from there into here. Got that 120%er on Tesla, sold it and rolled out on Mega YOLOs just in case. If tomorrow is bullish, Tesla is my man. Didn't take Meta. I don't like how it's looking. It broke down here. Plus, I mean, it's gonna take a while for this to be playable. Not messing with the crypto stocks either. Usually once they pump into a crypto event and then kind of slow bleed, right? Microsoft was god awful, the worst of the big ones today. If this fucker wakes up, great. We're off to the moon. Apple seems to be back. For how long? We still have that candle to the downside. So, what do we need to be watching? We need to be watching JPM. Now, there could be a JPM trade tomorrow, and it's gonna be 292.5s. Worth trying it if you can get a feel for 4 cents. Doesn't mean it needs to be at open. It could also be 290s. It could be throughout the day. That, besides Tesla, is the main watch for myself. And again, just look at how shit Dow Jones is. The market is changing now, so you gotta change with it, right? And here, look at this. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So there's a count here. Maybe you count Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this is our Thursday candle here. And we're about to absolutely take off. See what I mean? Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay? So what's the setup here? Well, I will be looking at the 2-hour chart here throughout the night. If it's this shit again, right? It's kind of an identical setup. You really want this to swing up here. If this starts rejecting now, you're gonna take out yesterday's lows into Friday, and you're probably gonna absolutely dump on Monday. I mean, this is a rising wedge. That's a fake breakdown of it, which is kind of throwing everyone off. But rising wedges always fall to the downside pretty fast, and then you buy the dip. So be cash heavy. Don't get caught in the chop tomorrow, okay? I'll trade open and close. And that's it for now. Oh yeah, so I'm looking at this one, but let me just show you the NAMO is way better because tech is strong, right? But it is also curling down. But the next low will be a significant low. I've got a turn day on Monday. Plus minus 1 day. Can happen tomorrow, can happen on Tuesday. You got CPI on Tuesday. We're gonna need to gap over this trend line as well at some point. But right now, the technical setup is pretty freaking bearish, and I don't see anything tomorrow that is going to send us. That's my big thing, right? And it's a mixed bag of tricky tricks. I did say, and just to show you, that the price distribution for today was pretty bearish. For tomorrow, it is pretty bullish. 10 days out, more bullish. So For tomorrow is 8-8. We're right here. We're either going to, well, we're right there right now. I guess, again, the highs, or you're gonna go down here, which opens the door down to there. I do want to check here for next Monday while we're at it, in case we got a position 615 to 645. That's a big range. Let's check Tuesday. Looks like yeah, we're probably gonna get a low next week. But anyways, guys, we'll see if we catch any good scalps again tomorrow. God bless.